Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Silver token. So Silver is a meme coin on Ethereum, and this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting October 13th. We're going to go over the information on the Silver token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, like I said, it's a meme coin on the Ethereum blockchain. It was just announced on Mexc Global's Twitter that this token will be listed October 13th at 12 o'clock UTC time on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Silver, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. October 13th, 12 o'clock UTC time on Mexc Global. So this is an Ethereum token. Right now they have 922 holders. 9 decimal places on this token, and a very big supply of this token here. A lot of decimal places here. What is this here? So that's a million, billion, trillion, 420 quadrillion, 690 trillion tokens. A lot of tokens. So they do have a Telegram you can follow at SilverETHSilver. And they have 19,831 Telegram members, doing very well on their socials. 1,006 of them are online. Now their Twitter, 94 tweets so far, blue verified check mark. I'm going to put that up right here for you guys. At Silver_AG_ETH. It says, shine bright with Silver, where laughter meets financial freedom. Then they have the contract address, their Telegram, their webpage, silvereth.club, 7,282 holders. Now, in their pinned tweet, they also have a link to Uniswap, where you can get this token by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, trading your Ethereum for the Silver token using the contract address that you could find right here on their Twitter or on their webpage, silvereth.club. Now, you may have to set slippage for that, and there is going to be gas fees, so just be aware of that. And yeah, it's going to be less fees, of course, on Mexc Global. Uniswap has some bigger gas fees and probably slippage if there's taxes and whatnot, but we'll try to find that in the tokenomics. But underneath the Uniswap link, they have DEX Tools, DEX Screener, Aave, DEX View, all sorts of links that you could check out. And of course, there's all sorts of memes as well. Now, I believe that maybe the same people just came out with a token called the Gold token. Now, I never did a video on this token, but they retweeted the Gold token webpage, and that token also just got listed on Mexc Global as well. And that they can find them on Twitter at GoldETHCoin. I'm not sure if it's the same team, but Silver, Gold coming out at the same time. It's safe to assume that it most likely is at least some of the same team members. Now it says shine bright with Silver. Now name of the token is Silver. Ticker symbol is also Silver. Now it says They have limit orders or it says they have a trading bot. Here it is. Trading Perfected. Our trading bot has a comprehensive suite of features designed to help you win, all free to use. And then it says start trading. You can click on that. It'll take you over to a Telegram at Silver ETH Silver, their Telegram, and that's where you can use the trading bot. So you can do limit orders, buy low, sell high, execute your strategy with precision. They have mirror sniping, trade like a pro, replicate their wins, and they have fail guard sell, test your sales ahead and maximize your selling potential, and private transactions. Shield your trades, outsmart sandwich attacks. Discover new tokens. Get alerts on newly created tokens on Ethereum in real time with our scanner. Integrated with our bot, you can easily add tokens and snipe them with the click of a button. And you can click on Access Scanner. That'll also take you over to that Telegram there. So there's also revenue share. So rewards are proportional to the amount of tokens held. Holders receive 40% of transaction fees and 1% of total silver tokens traded volume. Rewards are calculated in 2-hour intervals and claimable after 24 hours. Transferring more than 200 tokens between every 2-hour interval will result in a forfeit of the revenue share. Must hold 50 silver tokens to be eligible. So there's also a referral program. So holders can generate a referral code to access additional benefits. The referrer receives 25% of all transaction fees from users of the link and 20% discount of their transaction fees. Must hold 10 silver tokens to be eligible for that. Now at the bottom of their webpage, they have GitHub, they have Medium articles, Reddit, a Twitter, Telegram, YouTube channel. So they're, let's see here if they even have any Medium articles yet. They have one article, and let's see how long it is. Just a short one here. It says, welcome to the world of silver. Introducing silver, the shining meme coin of the future, where the brilliance of the element itself is mirrored in our revolutionary meme coin. Silver is not just another crypto, it's a symbol of elegance, sophistication, and limitless potential. Inspired by the precious metal that has captivated humans for centuries, silver aims to redefine the meme coin landscape with its unique blend of humor, innovation, and community-driven growth. Our mission is to create a digital asset that not only brings joy and laughter, but also empowers individuals to embrace the limitless possibilities of the decentralized world. So it has like a big story there on silver. You can read that on their Medium articles. Check out their Twitter. Check out the gold coin too. I probably won't do a video on the gold coin. It's probably very similar to the silver coin. But just be aware that that token also just got listed on Mexc Global. I also did do a video recently on another token with the name gold and ticker symbol gold, so it could be kind of confusing. But yeah, go check it out anyways. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about the silver token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. Check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc Global one. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.